Hi, recording this quick video to show exactly what happens after you sign up for the online coaching bundle and just to let you know what online coaching bundle exactly is. Yes, so the moment you sign up for the bundle, you get a course portal. Now, I really love organizing everything, and that's how you would find everything in this portal. You have a little note, kind of a little request. Then you have something called as the access page. I'm going to show you that. You also get bundle ebook, you get the Excel tracker, and invite to join the community. So what do I mean by access page? So this is the access page. It's different from the registration page. The offers are exactly organized the way you saw them on the registration page, just that this time they have access button. So you can go click on it. You would go to discounted, the 100% free link for whatever product you want to. So that's the access page. Then we have the tracker. So this is very neatly organized tracker. Whichever offer you take, click on it, it's going to become green. So that's how it is. You can enter all your details out here. So that's the tracker that you get along with it, with all the details. Even if you wanted to just claim the offers from this tracker itself, it's still possible. So that's a full-fledged tracker for you. Then the next thing you get is an ebook. Now, this is something unique that we do. It's actually a value-packed ebook. So you get to meet all of us who are behind this bundle, who have taken all of these efforts to put this thing together. Then you get to claim all the offers. Now, the best part of this ebook is you don't have to bookmark links. You don't have to wait for anything, multiple tabs and all that. You can just follow this ebook and claim all the gifts. It's all possible. Plus, there's a little golden nuggets into it. You have some very high value posts from our sponsors, which are very, very valuable for you to build your business and even personal life. So you would find some value posts like this in the ebook. Then the next thing you get is an invite to join the community. So that's Online Coaching Visibility Club, wherein we discuss a lot of behind the scene, a lot of friendship, a lot of communications, and the 365 days challenge going on right now. So it's really a fun place to be rather than a free Facebook group. I really feel it's like a community where people are coming up. The engagement is blowing up. So you get an invite to join this. So that's what you get with the online coaching bundle. You get 70 products, but how to access this product is all about the access page, the tracker, the ebook, the community. Thank you.